Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a collage-style board on Pinterest using the 2025 app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app and make sure you're logged in. Now tap the search icon at the bottom and start searching for images or pins that match your theme. For example, aesthetic room, outfit ideas, or vision board. Once you see pins you like, tap on one, then tap the three dots or save icon and select Create Board. Give your board a name, something like My Mood Collage or 2025 Vision. You can also set it to private if you don't want others to see it. Tap Create and that first pin will be added to the board. Now keep browsing Pinterest and keep adding more pins to the same board, Just choose your new board name when saving. Once you've added 10 to 20 pins, go to your profile, tap your board, and you'll see your full visual layout. This is your collage. It's not like dragging and dropping images manually, but it's the Pinterest version of a visual collage, and it looks great. You can also tap the Organize button inside your board to move pins around or delete any you don't want. And if you want to make a more artistic collage outside Pinterest, you can screenshot your board and use another app like Canva. But for this video, we're keeping it all inside Pinterest. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.